Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me it's actually on the second page right over here, as you can see. Now this is the default location of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find the same toggle at the same location on your device. Now once you locate it, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it actually functions. So we have just a toggle, we have a option for how long, which defines what happens when you turn it on. We have a schedule mode, you can use the existing one or create a new one. Then we have exceptions for calls, messages, conversations, alarms, sounds, and apps. So you can go through this category. This one will be the more important one, which allows you to choose who can call you, message you, and so on. Once you have customized it to your liking, you can close this and you don't have to ever come back here again, assuming you don't want to change any of the settings. And once you are ready and you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply find the toggle, this time around tap on it, and it is now active. So that is how you would turn it on. Additionally, if you want to use Do Not Disturb mode in a schedule mode, you would just need to make sure that the schedule itself is turned on, which you can do by going into the settings again and just make sure that this is toggled on. And that's basically all you would need to do. You don't need to turn on the actual Do Not Disturb mode, you just need to turn on this. So there we go. So that is how you can set up your Do Not Disturb mode and also use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.